Hey guys, oh my God, I am so excited. I couldn't wait to come on here and share this news with you. Guess what I just did? I just finished hosting my very first digital product offering. It was a workshop that was focused on rewriting your money story. Which essentially delve into looking underneath the hood of how your relationship with money was formed. And this call was scheduled for 90 minutes and it went on for 2.5 hours. I had a group of dynamic women on the call who are looking to do something different when it comes to their finances, and they wanted to kick off 2026 with the right kind of motivation. And really, I am just so proud of myself because to think about where I was just a few months ago to where I am now, having taken the leap and deciding that I was going to step out on faith and I was going to choose to create a life of freedom for myself. And now having the time to focus on what those income producing offerings are going to be, and to see one actually come to fruition has been absolutely amazing. On my next video, I am going to break down the entire process from beginning to end of how this digital product offering was launched, how was it created, made, and launched and marketed. And so that'll be my next video. But I wanted to just talk a little bit about the workshop that I had today. And one of the reasons I'm so very passionate about this particular topic when it comes to the money mindset and your relationship with money is because most of the times when I work with clients and they're trying to get a handle on their finances, most of the times they're thinking that they don't have money to do the things that they need to do. When in fact, it's the complete opposite. They actually have the money, they don't know where it's going. And more importantly, that money is not aligning to the things that they say they value and they want for their lives long term. And so there's a huge disconnect. And so I have a lot of clients that, I'll get calls saying, oh my God, I think I need to find another job. I don't have enough money. And when I say ask, pointing questions, or how much are you making? These folks are making lots of money, but they honestly have no idea where they're spending their money. And many times it's because they're using credit cards, which is something I don't necessarily recommend, because you can you it becomes easy to swipe the card, and then at the end of the month not having any idea where your money's going. But what I will say is that when I sit with these clients and we actually give them a real picture of where they are financially, they are making money. They're making enough money to cover their bills, but they are overspending on things that do not align to the values and the lifestyle that they want for themselves in the future. And so, really, what they're doing is it's instant gratification. They see something, they want it, they buy it. And then, when the bill comes, they're thinking to themselves, oh my God, where's my money going? And they're looking at the thing that they bought and understanding and realizing this thing is not helping me get to my long-term goals. And for a lot of the ladies, the long-term goals were, creating a life where, you don't have to do a 9 to 5, where you're able to rest unapologetically, where you're able to have location, freedom of time, freedom of location, and obviously freedom of finances. And so it was a very, very amazing workshop. I am proud of the ladies that joined, because it really says to me that they are looking to have a shift in what their relationship is with money. And so we worked through a few exercises where and it required them to really go deep and try to figure out what that first memory was that may have informed their relationship with money. And when we work through the exercises and you see how we start to connect the dots, it's always amazing when I see those light bulbs going off in their head. And so I know we've had some shifts and some breakthroughs with the ladies that were on the call, and I look forward to working with them a little bit more closely because this is really just the initial part of getting to where you want to be with your finances. A lot of times we can have the awareness, but we get stuck in our old habits. And so having an accountability partner, Big Sis, that's kind of where I come in and just helping you to stay on the path and reminding you that these little shifts and sometimes what might seem like big sacrifices in the moment are ultimately going to pay off tremendously in the long term. And I just also wanted to go ahead and pat myself on the back because, like I said, this is literally me creating a dream, right? Creating a dream of supporting women on their mission to create the freedom life that you ultimately do not have to take a vacation from. And the foundation of that ultimately lies in your finances, right? I know sometimes we don't like to talk about money, it's a sensitive topic, but money is something that we should really become more comfortable as a society talking about because I think we probably wouldn't have as many issues that we have around money if it was something that wasn't treated as like a little dirty secret, especially when you may not be in the place that you want to be with your finances. So if what I've just talked about sounds like something that you may be interested in um, learning more about, I'm gonna go ahead and put the description in the video. Put more information in the video description so you can go ahead and um, take a look. And until next time, guys, stay tuned for me to break down all the things that I did in order to create, launch, market, and then present this digital product offering. Cheers. I will see you next time. Yay! It's so big.